Hello, I'm Lynn. Want to calculate stockpile or excavation volume in seconds? Let me show you how to do it fast with Hi-LiDAR.
First, a base height needs to be set. Manual select directly on points in the view to obtain the base elevation. Customizable, manually enter a specific elevation value to use as the base elevation. Click Manual Select directly on points in the view to obtain the base elevation. Setting grid size. The smaller the grid size, the more accurate the result. Ensure that each grid contains point data. You can zoom in to measure the spacing of the point cloud before setting it. The calculation area can be defined by importing a design file or drawing a polygon.